Designing aesthetic spaces and smiles is more than just an art form. It's a transformative process that impacts confidence and well-being. Whether in dentistry or interior design, the journey from vision to reality involves a meticulous blend of creativity, precision, and empathy. This approach not only enhances the physical appearance, but also fosters a sense of self-assurance and comfort in individuals. The initial step in this transformation is recognizing potential. In dentistry, this means understanding a patient's unique dental needs and aspirations. Similarly, in interior design, it's about envisioning how a space can evolve to meet the functional and aesthetic desires of its occupants. This vision serves as the foundation upon which all subsequent decisions are built. Planning is the next crucial phase. In dental design, this involves detailed assessments, including bite analysis and facial aesthetics, to ensure that any enhancements are harmonious and functional. In interior design, planning encompasses spatial layouts, color schemes, lighting, and material selection to create an environment that is both beautiful and practical. Every choice made during this stage influences the final outcome. Bringing the design to life requires the integration of technology and craftsmanship. In dentistry, advancements like digital imaging and computer-guided treatment planning allow for precise and personalized smile designs. In interior design, skilled artisans and quality materials are employed to execute the envisioned space, ensuring that every element aligns with the original concept. The impact of well-executed design extends beyond the physical changes. A thoughtfully designed smile can boost a person's confidence, making them more willing to engage socially and professionally. Similarly, a well-designed space can enhance mood, productivity, and overall well-being, making individuals feel more at ease and inspired in their surroundings. Balancing aesthetics with functionality is a common challenge in both fields. A beautiful smile must also be comfortable and aligned, just as a stunning interior must be livable and efficient. Achieving this balance requires a deep understanding of both design principles and human needs, ensuring that form and function coexist seamlessly. The lessons learned from designing smiles and spaces are universally applicable. Both processes teach the importance of vision, planning, and execution in creating environments that positively influence individuals' lives. Whether it's a smile makeover or a home renovation, the goal remains the same: to enhance confidence and quality of life through thoughtful design. Incorporating sustainable practices into design further elevates its impact. Using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient solutions not only benefits the environment but also contributes to healthier living spaces. This commitment to sustainability reflects a broader responsibility to both individuals and the planet. Embracing innovation and staying abreast of emerging trends is essential in both dentistry and interior design. Incorporating new technologies and design philosophies ensures that the spaces and smiles created are contemporary and forward-thinking, meeting the evolving needs and preferences of clients. Ultimately, the process of designing aesthetic spaces and smiles is about creating environments that inspire confidence and well-being. It's about understanding the unique needs of individuals and crafting solutions that enhance their lives, making them feel valued and empowered in their transformed surroundings.